Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna do the trim restore for the Mini Cooper 2012. And you can take a look at it over here. It kind of faded. It's been a while, probably like what, 8 years already. So it's been faded, so we're gonna try to restore it by using this product right here. Let's see. It's called Turtle Wax Trim Restorer, and you can purchase it at any auto, and also Walmart. They also carry that product too. And we also use detailing towel in this process. So let's try it out. Okay, and also we have a little helper over here. He's gonna try to help me to tape this up between before and after to see how it looks. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, tape it right, maybe a little bit down here. Tape it on the thing here, yeah. Straight down. Yep, and then cut it. So we're gonna apply this on the detailing tower.
We're gonna do that.
A little bit here.
And I want all of y'all to subscribe to my daddy.
Hold on. And then we're gonna apply it to here. Back and forth. All the way here. I'm gonna do it all the way to the front here. Hold on, I'm gonna let you do on the other side, but wanna see what different here. So wipe it down and leave it about
5 minutes.
5 minutes, and then we wipe it off again with a clean clean towel.
Dry towel.
Dry towel, yeah. And okay, it's been about 5 minutes already, so go ahead and wipe it off. And let's take the tape off. See what difference. See?
That looks very good.
Yeah, you see what difference? Really impressed. See?
That
Let
side.
me focus a
and
little
this
bit.
side.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
See? Go ahead and finish it up.
This?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Applied it all the way down, back and forth. A little bit more right there.
Where?
Right here. Yep. Yep. And the same process. Probably 4 or 5 minutes later, you wipe it off with a clean, dry towel. Yeah, it's been like 5 minutes, so we're gonna dry it right now. Okay, go ahead. It looks good.
Yep. It looks similar to the other side.
See, now it's matched it up, right?
Just go back and forth. Now y'all guys can look at it.
Wow, it looks really good.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped your car. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my daddy's YouTube channel. Well, I'll see you to the next video. Bye.